Hey everyone, welcome all of you to Amadagiri Edutainment channel. My name is Vincent Baby. I am the co-founder and director of Amadagiri Yoga Sanctuary. Welcome once again all of you to Pep Talk with an expert. Today we got a very special guest with us. Our guest is Yogacharya Vijay Gupta. He is a well-known singer and also a management expert. It gives me great pleasure to welcome our Yogacharya Vijay Gupta to this program. Thank you so much, Vijayji. Welcome. And how are you today?
Fine, fine, Vincent ji. Today I am fine, and it's also a great pleasure for me to be the part of this program.
So I have prepared some questions to ask you. More often, we get a question from the public and the people who are interested and yoga lovers. Is that the word yoga in Sanskrit means union.
Yeah,
Could you please explain a little bit about it?
yeah. The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit word, and it's derived from yuj dhatu and ghai pratyay, which means jodna ya bandhna, which means addition or union. तो
Mhm.
योग का मतलब ये होता है कि आत्मा का परमात्मा से मिलन, मीटिंग ऑफ सोल विद द सुपर पावर इज द
Oh,
योगा.
I
तो
see.
योग के बारे में जैसे आपने पूछा तो योग के बारे में महाभारत में बोला गया है कि समत्वम योग उच्यते.
Mhm.
सभी स्थितियों में आइदर गुड और बैड, आइदर हेल्दी और डिजीज्ड, आइदर विक्ट्री और डिफीट, in every circumstances yoga teaches to maintain the equilibrium. So
Mhm.
that is the beauty of yoga.
Mhm.
योगश चित्त वृत्ति निरोधा एंड योगा कर्मसु कौशलम. योगा कर्मसु कौशलम का मतलब होता है कि कर्मों में कुशलता योग से ही आती है. चाहे हम किसी भी तरीके का कार्य करें तो योग से कर्मों की कुशलता आती है. ये भी भगवत गीता में योगी श्री कृष्ण ने बोला है.
Okay.
यस.
More, thank you so much. More often, we get confusion. Some people ask that, is there any connection between yoga and meditation? Is there a connection between yoga and meditation?
यस.
Or any
तो
difference?
yeah, we can have the differences also, connections also. Like योग is the broad terminology. योग
Mhm.
is a darshan. अगर हम
Okay.
भारतीय दर्शन की बात करें, we talk about the Indian philosophy, then
Mhm.
within the Astic darshan,
Mhm.
Yog darshan comes. So Yog is a broad terminology that includes the meditation. As per
Mhm.
Maharshi Patanjali, who has given the Yog Sutra, in his second sutra only, he defined Yog. Yoga चित्त वृत्ति निरोधा. योग
Mhm.
से चित्त की, चित्त मीन्स कॉन्शियसनेस, माइंड, इनकी
Mhm.
जो वृत्ति होती है, डिविएशंस होती है,
Mhm.
दैट इज रिजॉल्व विथ योग. और योग को उन्होंने अष्टांग योग दिया, 8 अंग दिए. यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम,
Mhm.
प्रत्याहार, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि. So you are asking about what is difference between yoga and meditation. So
Yes.
meditation, that is dhyan, is the part of yoga.
Mhm.
Seventh part, that is dhyan, and then samadhi. That
Mhm.
is the part of yoga. Meditation we can define in a very simpler way, that if we are concentrating on a particular object or
Mhm.
any point, then so that is meditation. And if meditation is prolonged, then that is the samadhi, that is the kaivalya, that is the moksha. So
Mhm.
meditation is the part of yoga.
Mhm. Okay, well done, well done. Okay, other question. Let's move on to the other question. It is, how can yoga help in overall development of an individual?
Very, very good question.
Mhm.
Yoga is actually for the complete personality development. विथ
Mhm.
योगा
Mhm.
आपको तन, मन, आध्यात्म और चिकित्सा पूर्ण लाभ सभी मिलता है. मीन्स यू कैन से मेंटली,
Mhm.
फिजिकली,
Mhm.
स्पिरिचुअली, एज वेल एज मेडिसिनल वैल्यूज आर विद द योगा. तो
Mhm.
योग एक ऐसा माध्यम है, अगर आप देखेंगे, आप अगर जिम करते हैं, आइदर यू टू व्यायाम और यू टू गो टू दिस अखाड़ा, then you will find that you are strengthening your body only. But
Mhm.
yoga purifies your mind, mental stress, and resolves all the stress. मेंटल स्ट्रेस में, चाहे वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो, डिप्रेशन हो, एंजाइटी हो, योग रिजॉल्व्स ऑल द मेंटल फ्रस्ट्रेशन. एंड अभी जो कोरोना काल है, during this
Mhm.
corona period,
Mhm.
yoga plays a very important role because physically, more than physically, most people are disturbed mentally because of the loss of job, loss of business, and profit and loss. So
Mhm.
yoga
Yeah.
shows the complete personality. It develops the complete personality mentally, physically, spiritually, as well as medicinally. From nervous system to this leg, complete body is cured with the yoga. All the systems of the body, all 11 systems.
Mhm. Okay. So it is a positively, it will be helpful, right?
Yeah, positively, it is helpful for mental, physical, spiritual, and medicinal.
Very
Complete
good.
pack.
Very
Yeah.
good. Well done. Let's move on to other question. More often we get a question from the public. It's that can we do yoga if we eat non-veg or if we drink alcohol? That's a question we get.
Yeah, that's a question that has been asked many times. So, presently, if we see, we are celebrating International Yoga Day on 21st of June every year since 2015.
Mhm.
So, yoga is not only the practice of India, it's the pan-world practice. So,
True.
everywhere you know that vegetarians are there, non-vegetarians are there, alcoholic are there. So,
Mhm.
everybody is taking the part in the yoga.
Mhm.
So that is not an issue if you are non-vegetarian, if anybody is non-vegetarian, alcoholic. So yoga helps to heal
Mhm.
him in a better way.
Okay.
One point is there कि if we go through the yoga deeply, then there are three types of ahar: sattvic ahar, tamasic ahar, as well as rasic ahar.
Mhm.
Sattvic ahar means green vegetable, and then which is nature friendly, which is body friendly. That is the sattvic ahar.
Mhm.
रासिक आहार which increases our ego,
Mhm.
अहंकार,
Mhm.
घमंड, ये सारा बढ़ाता है, ये रासिक आहार है. देन
Mhm.
तामसिक आहार जो हमको आलस की ओर ले जाता है, लेजीनेस की ओर ले जाता है. तो जब
Mhm.
बंदा योगा पे आता है तो स्टार्टिंग में इफ इज नॉन वेजिटेरियन or alcoholic, that is not a concern, but
Mhm.
subsequently, slowly and slowly, when he will see the benefit, he will definitely turn to this sattvic ahar. So yoga recommends sattvic ahar, but it's not like that non-vegetarian and alcoholic cannot do the yoga. That is fitness program for everyone, each and every individual of the universe.
Okay, that was interesting information, bit of information. Thank you so much, Vijay ji. Let's move on to the next question. Uh, what is meditation and the best time to meditate?
Yeah, मेडिटेशन इज एक्चुअली, जिसको हम हिंदी में ध्यान बोलते हैं. तो
Mhm.
मेडिटेशन इज फोकसिंग आवर माइंड ऑन ए सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑन ए
Mhm.
सिंगल पॉइंट.
Mhm.
ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी एनीथिंग, और थ्रू सम क्रिएटिविटी ऑफ द नेचर. सो
Mhm.
focusing ourselves on a particular point is the meditation.
Yeah.
And if meditation is prolonged, then that leads to samadhi.
Mhm.
ज्यादा लंबे समय तक अगर हम मेडिटेशन ध्यान करते हैं तो हम समाधि या मोक्ष या कैवल्य को प्राप्त करते हैं. अब मेडिटेशन का सबसे उत्तम समय, बेस्ट टाइम
The
फॉर
best time.
मेडिटेशन,
Yeah, what's the best time to meditate?
that is the morning, because morning your body is full of freshness. Morning nature is providing the freshness. Air
Yes.
is totally fresh. Birds' melodious voice are there, and you can refresh yourself and you can gain maximum energy in the
Mhm.
morning time. And with
Mhm.
all the natural support, you will enjoy the meditation in the morning. So morning is the best time, because at that time you refreshes to maximum with the melodious voice of the birds, and body is totally relaxed in the morning.
Yes.
That is morning.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Can meditation cure emotional problems and how?
Meditation is the best way for the resolution of the emotional problem, like frustration,
Mhm.
depression, anxiety, which is major prevalent nowadays
Mhm.
because of this lockdown period also, and because of some other circumstances, diseases like corona and many more things. So meditation cures all the emotional problem. That has
Mhm.
been documented, that has been scientifically proved, because whenever you focus your mind on a single object, or
Mhm.
any god, or
Mhm.
any natural thing,
Mhm.
or any point,
Mhm.
then you are understand yourself. What is योग? योग is that कि you divert your इंद्रिया, जो हमारी इंद्रियां हैं, आंख है, नाक है, कान है, then स्किन है, then all इंद्रियस को जब हम, ये हमारी बाहर की तरफ केंद्रित हैं, everything is focused outside. But when we focus this to internally, then we understand ourselves, and
Mhm.
all the mental problems, all the
Mhm.
anxiety, depression, frustration are resolved because of
Mhm.
this meditation, because we understand ourselves.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Other question I want to ask is, I have noticed that most of the time when we meditate, we use music. So what is the use of music while meditating? Is it a distraction while we do the meditation?
No, no, no. Music is not a distraction. Music is the best way of meditation. Like I have already discussed this thing. eh, What is meditation? Means focusing our mind on a single object or anything. So music is the best way of meditation. That has been documented, scientifically proved. So when we are focusing, our mind is focused. We focus internally. We listen to the beautiful musics of the birds, beautiful musics of the nature, classical Indian music. Then we are relieved internally. Our all emotional disbalance is balanced and equilibrium is created. So
Mhm.
I think till date,
Mhm.
whatever documentation
Mhm.
or even in yoga science, whatever I have learned, that music is the best way of meditation, and music should soothe you, like
Mhm.
classical music or
Oh.
any instrumental music, like
Mhm.
flowers, birds, and natural things. So
Mhm.
that will soothe you. That will give you a great
Mhm.
feeling towards the superpower.
Okay. I know that you are a prominent singer, Vijayji. Could you please sing two lines of your favorite song to our viewers?
Yeah, recently on International Yoga Day, I have composed and sang a beautiful song on the miracles of yoga.
Okay.
So I would like to sing that song. Ki what are the miracles of the yoga?
Okay. Please.
करे सब करे, निरोगी सब रहे, तन मन आध्यात्म चिकित्सा पुड़ला, सारे चमत्कार योग से सब करे, रगे सब रहे, निरोगी सब रहे, तन मन आध्यात्म चिकित्सा पुड़ला, सारे चमत्कार योग से सब करे. ये गाना जो
Wow.
था,
Wow. That was
thank you,
amazing. Very good.
thank you. That
Thank you
was
so much.
that was with the feeling of कि सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, माँ कश्चित् दुर्भाग् भवेत्, वसुदेव कुटुम्बकम की भावना के साथ ये गाना बनाया गया था. सभी सुखी रहे, सभी निरोगी रहे, किसी को कोई दुख न हो.
Okay. Very good. Excellent. Let's move on to the next question.
Yes.
Does yoga require the help of a teacher, or can it be self-taught? If anybody wants to study, learn yoga, is it required to the help of a teacher, or can it be a self-taught
I am
process?
learning the yoga from Barkatullah University, Bhopal. And for the last 3 years, I am learning. This is the third year in progress. I have completed PG diploma in yoga science and MSc in yoga.
Mhm.
So till date, I think that I haven't learned anything.
Mhm.
So yoga is such a depth knowledge that you need the guidance of teacher. What
Mhm.
to do, what not to do,
Mhm.
which exercise to follow if there is a problem in circulatory system, nervous system, liver, intestine, kidney. So there
Mhm.
are different exercise, how to cure diabetes, how to cure cancer, how to cure blood cancer, how
Mhm.
to boost the immunity in corona. So there
Mhm.
are Jal Niti, Shuddhi Kriya, then Yam Niyam, Asan Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan Samadhi. So all this is a very, very depth knowledge. So
Mhm.
teacher is very important to understand and what to do, because sometimes somebody is doing the Kapal Bhati, and if he is doing the Kapal Bhati in the right way, then he will definitely yield the best result. but with the wrong way, he can get the wrong results also. So teacher is a must. Guru
Okay.
is a must for yoga.
Okay. So what is your opinion about online yoga? Because I have seen that many teachers are now doing online yoga. What's your opinion, personal opinion about online yoga? Is it effective or is it
Online
genuine?
yoga, yoga is one-sided yoga. Means there is no dialogue, there is no interaction between the audience. And when we are taking the class directly from the yoga acharya, yog guru or yogi, then directly we get the training. If we are doing certain asan, online yoga, if we can ask certain questions by chatting and all these things. But if we are doing the asan, if we are doing the pranayam, then who will guide us that I am not doing the right way of asan?
Sure,
बिकॉज
sure.
फॉर आसन इट इज सेड दैट कि स्थिर सुखम आसनम, जिसमें हम आराम से बैठ सके वही आसन है, तो क्या हम कंफर्टेबल हैं? फिर प्राणायाम, प्राणायाम तस्मिन सति, श्वास प्रश्वास गति विच्छेद प्राणायाम, तो क्या प्राणायाम सही ढंग से कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे? तो टीचर ऑनलाइन पे हम केवल उसको समझ सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज दिस यम नियम आसन, ऑल द 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ योगा, व्हाट इज शुद्धि क्रिया, षटकर्म क्या है, लेकिन जो उसका सोल है, जो उसकी आत्मा है और जो उसका सही ढंग से समझना है, वो हम डायरेक्ट ही इंटरेक्शन से ही समझ सकते हैं, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन में हम अपना प्रदर्शन नहीं कर सकते कि हम कैसे कर रहे हैं, किस तरीके से कर रहे हैं। हो सकता है नॉलेज मिल रही हो, बट हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट, हाउ टू डू द फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, हाउ टू रिलीव द मेंटल टेंशन एंड व्हाट आर द डूज एंड डोंट्स फॉर योगा, दैट शुड बी टेकन केयर. So online we can get the knowledge but not so much effective.
That's not full, that's not complete.
Yeah.
Online yoga is not complete. That's what we think. Amodagiri Yoga Sanctuary, we also, at this moment, we don't support online yoga.
That's good. And I am the part of this Amodagiri Yoga Sanctuary. I am the guest lecturer there. And that's what to talk about Amodagiri Yoga Sanctuary. I should say that you should go to the website and you should watch what the tremendous place has been taken. Means for yoga, we need the freshness of air, complete oxygen. So that is the place, Amodagiri Yoga Sanctuary. That too in Kerala, God's own country.
Yes.
So you can understand the beauty of the Kerala, beauty of the place, and that to Amodagiri. If you go to it, you will enjoy. You will understand that you have spent the weekend. You have spent something good time in a very beautiful place. So with the beautiful place, beautiful nature site, as well as full of oxygen, energy, and freshness, and melodious voice of the birds. That is Amodagiri Bird Sanctuary.
Thank you so much for the flowers and explanations. So what are the advantages? So one question people ask, what are the advantages of becoming a certified yoga teacher?
As I have already discussed that yoga is a very depth knowledge, very depth knowledge. So when you are becoming the certified yoga teacher, first of all, you get training that what are the do's and don'ts for yoga and how yoga can benefit all your 11 systems, right from integumentary system, nervous system, circulatory system, digestive system, endocrine system, and then reproductive system, how yoga can help all the 11 systems. So when you will get the certified course, you will undergo through the training, you will undergo through this yam, niyam, asan, what are the asan, what Swami Swatma Ram has given in the Hat Pradipka, then what are the pranayam, which pranayam, anulom vilom pranayam, then bhastika pranayam, then different types of pranayam, then what are the shatkarma, shuddhi kriya, kapal bhati, which we are doing. So once you are the teacher, then only you will get the complete training, because it's a very big शास्त्र. जैसे मैंने पहले बोला कि इंडियन फिलोसफी में योग इज अ दर्शन, इट कम्स इन द आस्तिक दर्शन में योग आता है. बहुत बड़ा सब्जेक्ट है, बहुत बड़ा नॉलेज है. तो जब आप सर्टिफाइड टीचर हो जाएंगे, देन ओनली the students will come and you can guide the right thing to the students, that what to do, what not to do, when to do, and for which disease which asana is best. So certified course is a must, and that will be a miracle in the present circumstances, because you can open your own centers, you can develop your own personality, you can give the private coachings, trainings, and everything. So that is the being a certified teacher, you can earn also a lot by being professionals. So that is great. Means you should go for the certified yoga course, and I think that Amodagiri Yoga Sanctuary is providing a very good certified course, and that is well designed by us only, and that is certified by USA and Indian government. So what you should go once. I am highlighting again and again because I have seen the beauty of that place, I have seen the freshness of that place, and I have seen the faculty. That's amazing. The
Thank you so much.
certified course you must do by by whatsoever you feel that this is best. I have recommended one thing, but whatsoever you feel that this is the best certified course, so, but you should do the certified course in you for complete understanding.
Okay, thank you so much, Vijay ji. Viewers, that was Yogacharya Vijay Gupta, the prominent yoga guru from Bhopal, and he is one of our visiting faculty at Amodagiri Yoga Sanctuary. My name is Vincent Baby. I'll be coming back with another episode of Pep Talk with an expert next week. Until then, goodbye.
Thank you, sir.